In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add HTML code to your Wix website. So this is super easy to do, and let's get started. So the first thing is go to Wix, then go into the editor of your Wix website, go into the classic editor, which you can do by hitting the edit button on your site name. Then you will be in something like this. This is the editor of Wix. You can see all these options right here, and in order to add HTML code, go to add, the third option, then type in HTML. As you can see, I already did that. Then go to embed, and you want to pick the first one. So you can also pick these two, but I would recommend you to pick this one. Then you can make it the size however you want. So let's do this size, and then hit enter code, and here enter the HTML code that you want. Hit apply, and then it will be done. So I have a code right here just to show you, but just enter in the code that you want, then hit update, and now it's going to update it. And as you can see, this is uploaded and I successfully added the HTML code. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.